The Xiaomi Pad 6 Max 14 is an attractive and affordable tablet. Priced at half the cost of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. This tablet offers premium quality at an affordable price. The tablet features a 14-inch IPS display with a refresh rate of 120 Hz. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, the tablet can be purchased with up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of UFS 3.1 storage. The base version of the Xiaomi Pad 6 Max comes with 8 GB of DDR5X RAM and 256 GB of flash storage. The design and appearance of this tablet are quite appealing. The Xiaomi Pad 6 Max has a 14-inch LCD screen on the front with a resolution of 2880 by 1800 pixels, a refresh rate of 120 Hz, and a maximum brightness of 600 nits. The screen is color calibrated, supports HDR10, Dolby Vision, and professional-grade color display. The back of the tablet is relatively simple, with only the Xiaomi logo in the top left corner and a 50-megapixel camera module in the top right corner. The frames and back cover are all made of metal, providing a very good and luxurious texture. The tablet has 8 speakers, consisting of 4 mid-bass units and 4 tweeters, supporting Dolby Atmos and Mi Sound, providing a deep listening experience. 4 microphones can suppress environmental noise during video and audio, focusing only on your clearer call effects, which will help improve communication efficiency between both parties. With a magnetic keyboard and mouse, the Xiaomi Mi Pad 6 Max can be transformed into a lightweight and portable notebook, also considering the stand and protective cover functions. With a front TOF laser sensor, the screen will automatically turn on when you approach, and the screen can be automatically locked when you leave, considering convenience and privacy, which is very convenient. Overall, the Xiaomi Pad 6 Max is a powerful and versatile tablet that offers various features designed to enhance the user experience. Whether for work, play, or multimedia consumption, this tablet is a solid choice. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on other interesting video updates.